How's it going, everyone? So today I want to talk about how to meal prep for the entire week. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in the online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. Now, a lot of people want to know how to meal prep, and I get a ton of questions from subscribers asking me, so I thought I would make a video on it to help you guys out. Now, I do a ton of meal preps because it's easy, fast, and I can track all my calories very easily by doing it. So I will show you guys some things that you can eat that's healthy. Meal one is lean ground beef, rice, and a vegetable source. I eat this every day for supper. I meal prep the rice and ground beef on Sunday and eat this till Saturday. It's very easy to eat, and you get your protein source, your carb source, and your fat source. You get everything. Very easy to make, nothing fancy. You can put some barbecue sauce or some soy sauce on it to help with the taste. But again, very healthy and easy to make. I love eating this, you guys. This is generally my supper all week long. Meal two is spaghetti, cheese, and chicken. I love this meal too. I will eat this for lunch. It's amazing. It's super easy to meal prep as well. Cook a big pot of spaghetti on Saturday or Sunday and you can eat it all week. The same goes for the chicken, you guys. Chicken you're only supposed to have for about 5 days. After 5 days it does get kind of bad. Maybe 6 days, but 5 days is probably the max. Now for my breakfast, you guys, breakfasts are super simple. It's just whey protein and an apple. But to meal prep, this is what you could do, is put 1 to 2 scoops of whey protein in 6 or 7 different shaker cups. Then all you have to do is add water. Me personally, I only have 1 shaker cup and I just do this in the morning. It takes 2 seconds. I really don't meal prep breakfast just because it's super easy already. It's just whey protein and water and my apple. So it's very easy to do. There you guys have it. That's how you meal prep all week. Super easy and efficient, and it takes like 10 minutes, you guys. Sorry, it takes about 20 minutes because you got to cook the chicken and the ground beef. Sorry, it takes about 45 minutes because the chicken takes 45 minutes, but you're just putting it in the oven. Now, some of you may be wondering why I don't meal prep all of my meals. That's because it's not really necessary, in my opinion. I meal prep 2 out of my 4 meals. The other 2 are very simple and don't require me to preparing them in advance because they only take a few minutes to prepare. The other 2 meals, again, just my breakfast and then a snack. I don't meal prep just because those are super easy. The other 2 meals, the ground beef, the rice, the vegetable source, and then the spaghetti, the chicken, and a vegetable source, those meals I do prep because you can, and they're super easy to do so. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.